It's raining outside. It's kind of white looking. What's this, snow? On December 29th, 2023? What is this? It's raining white stuff. See it? White stuff. On this December 29th, 2023. What's all this white stuff? It's 1:50 p.m. on this December the 29th, 2023. There's some white stuff, white rain falling outside. Y'all seen this before? White rain? Can you see the white rain if I zoom in? Let me zoom in. Got some snow prairies, light snow going on in my neck of the woods on this fabulous Friday, December 29th, 2023. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? You let me zoom out there and you can see it. When you zoom in, you can see the snow better. It's coming down actually decently. A light snow right now. Right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee, in my backyard. Raining white snow. Or I call it white rain. What do you call it in your neck of the woods? You call it white rain? Let's bring my zoom back in. As you can see, it's in my neck of the woods. How's the weather in your neck of the woods? It's about 36, 38 degrees right now and lightly snowing. There's my grill. Alright.